Umngcwabo ubuhanjelwe abangani, osombusazwe, amaciko ehlukene aqeqeshwe yisandla sikaMbongeni Ngema kanye nalawo asemkantshubomvu kwezikaqeda isizungu. Amkhumbule ngengoma.
Asithatheni le ngoma ngoba labo Ngema wathi mesivalelisa wasithi maweni mfana. Asithatheni sonke emaweni webaba selale maweni webaba selale maweni.
uNgema uchazwe njengomuntu oyibekile induku ebandla kwezobuciko nobe nekhono elinzulu lokucija amaciko asafufusa. Izikhulu zikahulumeni ziphakamise ukuthi igama lePlayhouse Theatre liguqulwe liqanjwe ngegama lakhe ukumhlonipha.
We are honoring uMadlokovu who committed himself but also committing ourselves to ensuring that we will work even closer with artists in our province.
Some of the proposals is to rename Playhouse, is to rename the Opera Theatre, where most of his production was done, is to have a statue of him outside of Playhouse.
Umndeni uthi uzomkhumbula njengobaba obenothando.
Tambulam le Kentucky, samlela samselanga, situthu sami, stof sam samalahle. I am at pains in accepting the finality that this day presents.
Mbongeni was more than just a brother. He was a guiding light and a source of strength.
Sibonga kakhulu Dlokovu ukushiya nama memories amahle nezinto ozenzile kithina.
uMbongeni Ngema wabhala umdlalo weSarafina ngeminyaka yo-80s nowaduma kakhulu ngisho nakwamanye amazwe omhlaba.
Ubhuti Mbongeni ungazi ngina 14 years when I was a baby when I joined Sarafina, and he promised my dad that he will take care of me when we're going overseas. For me, ukuthi ubhuti Mbongeni usehambile, it's unbelievable. I'm so heartbroken. I am numb. Ngiphelile ngaphakathi.
uNgema wedlule emhlabeni ngesonto eledlule engozini yemoto kanti ubeseneminyaka engama-60 ufihlwe emathuneni aseRed Hill eThekwini.